Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, fellow operators. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Blackhawk Rescue Mission 5, specifically focusing on how to build up your in-game cash reserves. Money is super important in BRM 5. It lets you buy better weapons, essential gear, and even custom attachments, giving you a huge advantage on the battlefield. Understanding the best ways to earn it will really enhance your gameplay experience. The absolute best way to consistently earn money in Blackhawk Rescue Mission 5 is by actively completing missions. When you load into the game, look for those objective markers. They'll guide you through various tasks like securing areas or eliminating targets. Higher difficulty missions, naturally, will reward you with significantly more cash upon completion. So, always keep an eye out for those challenging opportunities to maximize your payouts. Beyond mission rewards, you can earn a good amount of money by selling any unused or unwanted loot you pick up during your deployments. As you play, you'll accumulate extra weapons, attachments, and gear. Don't just discard them. Instead, head over to the in-game shops or trading posts located in safe zones. You can easily sell these surplus items for a quick profit, which is a fantastic way to clear your inventory and boost your wallet at the same time. Don't forget about the passive ways to earn cash, like daily login bonuses and special in-game events. Simply logging in each day can often grant you a small sum of money, or sometimes even valuable items you can then sell. Keep an eye on announcements for limited-time events, too, as these often feature unique challenges with increased money rewards. Participating in these can give your earnings a nice little boost without too much effort. To truly optimize your money-making in Blackhawk Rescue Mission 5, try playing with a squad. Teamwork often makes missions faster and more successful, leading to quicker payouts. Focus on efficiently farming high-value missions you know well and consistently engage with the game. Building up your funds takes a little time and effort, but it's totally worth it for the tactical advantages it provides. Thanks for watching and happy operating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.